Guys, welcome to another day of my life. Yeah, here's Diana, and today's video is all about self-care. Yes, today is all about myself, me, myself, and I. Today I'm gonna be doing self-care, no going out, no cleaning, not doing anything besides me. So I'm gonna take care of my skincare, take care of my hair. As you can see, look at this. It needs some really good hydration. My hair is acting crazy. The weather today is horrible. Well, it's cloudy and it's a lot of going on in the world, so we need to stay safe. And because of that, I decided that I'm gonna take care of myself. So if you are new here, consider subscribing because I like to put videos about myself, my life, what's going on in my day, and yeah, follow my journey. So without further ado, let's go and have some fun. So don't forget to subscribe, follow me, and let's go.
Today I'm treating my skin to a simple DIY face mask made with oats, honey, and milk. These three ingredients are known for being gentle and moisturizing. And for that reason, I'm gonna give you 10 reasons to try this DIY oat, honey, and milk face mask. There are 10 reasons to try this simple DIY. So, number one, it helps hydrate dry skin. Number two, oats can calm your skin that feels irritated or sensitive. Number three, honey helps lack and moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft. Number four, milk contains lactic acid, which gentle exfoliate the skin. Number five, it can help improve your skin texture with regular use. Number six, it leaves your face looking fresh and healthy. Number seven, it gives you a relaxing self-care moment at home, like what I'm doing now. Number 8, it is made with simple ingredients that you may already have in your kitchen so you don't have to spend money. Number 9, it is a budget-friendly alternative to many store-bought face masks, so you can use whatever you have at home. And number 10, it only takes 10 minutes or 15 minutes to enjoy. But remember, every skin is different, so always do a patch test in your wrist or your hands before trying any DIY skincare treatment. But I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this one. And let me know in the comments how your skin feel after you try this DIY mask.
All right, guys. So I already put my mask. As you saw the process, how to make it. Leave it in the comments if you ever did this type of mascarilla. What are the other ones that you can try? There's so many masks that you can try for your dry skin, for hydration. Let me know in the comments if you like natural or DIY mascarillas because I love this. I love it. This is, everything that is natural. I love it. Don't get me wrong. I still use other products for my skincare. Yes, because I always suffer from acne, and I decided that I'm gonna fight this acne. And yeah, thanks God, my skin is being much better. However, I still sometimes have breakdowns when I have my period or when I eat, when I break on my diet, whatever, things happens in life. So, anyways, but the point is, you can do your home skincare. Doesn't have to be expensive, and yeah, your skin can be beautiful. Also, I'm gonna do my something for my hair because my hair is very dry and I wanna hydrate it. So I'm gonna see if I can make a home mask anything. I'm gonna see what I have in the house. And yeah, let me know in the comments, guys, if you ever tried this mask or anything different. What do you guys do? Also, let me know in the comments what products do you use at home, because I'm gonna make a video showing you guys my most skincare products. So stay tuned for that video. Couple of ones. And beside what I do from at home, I have a couple of good products that I can recommend you. But anyway, I will leave all these little tips for another video. So you guys stay tuned, because yeah, I'm about to take this out. So let's go. Leave it a little wet, so now I'm gonna put my magic cream. Espérate. Okay, this is one of my favorite creams. I've been using the Pond's forever, since I don't know, years and years. So I'm gonna make another video showing you guys all my products, all the little things. But for now, I'm gonna put my Pond's, massage my face. You see, my face is a little wet, so the cream get deep in my pores. I do like a little massage, and yeah, basically it. My skin feels very soft. I love it, very soft and gentle. So yeah, look at my skin. It's shine, soft. You can feel, you can see. Well, I feel it. It's so nice. I love it. Oh my god. I recommend guys you do this, because the honey and the oat refresh your skin. It is so hot outside right now, and we gotta refresh the skin and hydrate it. So yeah, I feel so good. I put my cream, my face looks nice and clean. And yeah, we're gonna still work in these pimples and this nick that I have left, but trust me, this is better than before. Guys, look at this weather today. It's raining so bad. Today is a rainy day. Yeah, no sun, raining. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, today stay home day.
So of course, now I'm gonna do my hair mask DIY. So for that, I'm gonna use avocado, I will use a banana, mayo, whatever you have in the house, coconut oil for hydrating and everything. And of course, I'm gonna be using olive oil, or you can use avocado oil. I'm gonna use the grinder, whatever, to mix it. And yeah, so for this one also, I'm gonna give you 10 reasons why you should give it a try. Number one, because avocado is rich in healthy fats that help moisturize the dry hair. My hair is very dry and I'm trying to moisturize it. Number two, banana helps soften the hair and make it feel smoother. So that's why I add some banana, as you can see. Number three, the mayo contains oils and eggs that can add moisture and shine. Number four, coconut oil helps reduce moisture loss from the hair. Number five, olive oil helps smooth the hair's cuticles, making hair feel softer. Number six, this mask can help reduce the appearance of frizz, because my hair is really frizz, as you can see at the beginning, and that's why I'm deciding to use this mix or mask and these ingredients. Number seven, it leaves the hair feeling silky and easy to manage. Number eight, make simple ingredients that you already have at home, like I say. And number nine, it is affordable way to give your hair a deep conditioning treatment. Number 10 is just you leave it for 20 or 30 minutes, then you shampoo and condition as usual. Like I said before, safety first. Remember, everybody's hair is different, and if you have allergies or sensitive scalp, do a patch test first and stop using it if you feel irritations or you feel anything different. So let me know in the comments if you try this mask. You guys see how this looks like a nice deep treatment. Look at this. The Stalin Grace. All in. Yeah, that's how you gotta do it. Don't be scared of getting dirty. No, you gotta do it. Put your hair full of this mascarilla. Oh my god, it start feeling soft. I love it. I hope my hair get better. Yeah, because my hair really need it. So I'm gonna leave this for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna probably eat something now. And yeah, let's leave it for 20 minutes. Then I will wash my hair and see how it looks after. DIY mask, I'm gonna be using the Swave products. I had the shampoo and the conditioner. I love these products. They are very affordable. They make my hair feel soft, fresh, and easy to detangle, especially the conditioner. And the scent is really good. Like I say, I can use it for my everyday ocean routine, for my hair care routine, and yeah, you guys can try it. If let me know in the comment if you tried before, and I've been using it for a long time. So this is how my hair look like, right? I need to untangle it. So what I can feel a little bit of difference from before and now. They feel a little bit more hydrated, and I leave my mask for 20 minutes, and I think probably I left it for more. But anyway, now I'm gonna untangle my hair, dry it, and I will show you later the final result. Okay? Alright, so this is the end. This is the final result. Look at my hair. It's starting grace, shiny, soft, hydrated how I want it. And yeah, I'm so in love. I'm so happy. I feel so nice, fresh. I did my face, I did my hair, my skincare routine, everything, and I hope you guys also do it at home because oof, struggle is real. Look at my hair. Definitely. I gotta do this more often. And yeah, if you guys like it, how any other type of hair routine or anything different, let me know in the comments below. All the products that I can use for my hair. Look at my hair curls. I don't even know. I'm trying to embrace my curls, but it's so much work that sometimes I had to put it straight or do my braids. But anyways, yeah. So this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you in another one. Bye. Peace.